हो गया, लिंक भेजो उसके, गिवन द लिंक ऑफ दैट। ओके, वो सही है, सही है तो पढ़ाना क्या है, 2 लिंक मुझको ना इसकी,
मैं तुमको
आई विल सेंड दिस लिंक इन द ग्रुप, क्लास 11th।
send it. नीचे पढ़ा होना तो बने हुए, अरे हम तो देखे ना, बोलो कुछ।
Good morning, students. I am here to take a class for the class 11th. Good morning, students. We were discussing in the class. I am here to take a class for the class 11th. We were discussing the limit chapter in the class, and the very first question I am giving to you to understand. The first question is limit x tending to 0 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. You have to calculate the limit of this function. Then how to do it? Just take it as x equals to 1 plus h, because the limit we want to find is tending to 1, not 0, tending to 1. If the x is tending to 1 and x equals to 1 plus h we are taking, we must understand that if x is tending to 1 beta, then h is going to be 0, and then limit, we are here now putting the limit h tending to 0, in the place of x we are writing 1 plus h whole square minus 1 upon, in the place of x I can write 1 plus h minus 1. 1 and 1 will get cancel, and limit h is tending to 0, 1 plus h, here you can apply whole square formula, and 1a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 divided by h. Limit h tending to 0, h square plus 2h upon h. H can be taken as a common from the numerator, and limit h tending to 0, h plus 2 divided by h will cancel, and limit h tending to 0 equals to h plus 2. If h is tending to 0, the answer of this expression will be 2. You can calculate this limit by using the one more method, which is, the question is The question is limit x tending to 1 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. Then limit x tending to 1 x square minus 1 can be factorized, which is written as x plus 1 and x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. X minus 1 and x minus 1 can be cancelled, and limit x tending to 0 x plus 1, sorry, limit x tending to 1. Then in the place of x you can write 1 plus 1 can be 2, correct. This is also method to calculate the limit of the function. One more question we are going to discuss in the same way, that is limit x tending to 4 under root x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. You have to find out the limit of this function. Then how we are going to do it? How we are going to do is limit x tending to 4 x under root x minus 2, इसे ऐसे ही रहने देंगे, under root x minus 2 divided by we can write here x root x square minus 2 square. Denominator को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can write root x square because root x square is x only and 2 square is 4. For the second step we can do limit x tending to 4 and root x minus 2 divided by root x plus 2 a square minus b square formula we can apply here. Root x plus 2 and root x minus 2. And the limit x tending to 4, root x minus 2 and root x minus 2 can be cancelled, 1 upon under root x plus 2. So the limit x tending to 4, 1 upon, in the place of x we will write root 4 plus 2, then 1 upon 2 plus 2 equals to 1 upon 4. This is the answer of the given question. Let's solve more question on this limit chapter. Let's move for the trigonometric expressions to find the limit. The first question to find the limit on the trigonometrical functions is first one, limit x tending to 0 sin 3x upon sin 2x. Dear student, I have told you in the class limit x tending to 0 sin x by x is 1. So in order to find the limit of this function, what you have to do, limit let me take the 3x. If x is tending to 0, then 3x also tending to 0. So I can write the limit 3x tending to 0 sin x 3x upon 3x and into 3x. So here I have done the multiplication and division of 3x, and then denominator limit x 2x tending to 0, we can write sin 2x by 2x and into 2x. This one and this one going to be cancelled or going to be 1, and sin 3x, this is 3x by 2x, x cancel, the answer will be 2. Let me do few questions. See this one. The question, next question is on your screen, is limit x tending to 0 and sin 2x plus sine 2x plus sine 3x, oh sorry, sine 6x, and divided by sine 5x minus sine 3x. Calculate the limit of this function. So in order to calculate the limit of this function, we must know the trigonometric formulas. Trigonometric formulas is here sin c plus sin d. You must apply the formula sin c plus sin d, and the denominator you apply the formula sin c minus sin d. The formula of sin c plus sin d is limit x tends to 0 to sin c plus d by 2, 6x plus 2x upon 2, and cos c minus d by 2 divided by sin c minus sin d. Here 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2, which is 5x minus 3x upon 2. Here the limit x tending to 0 to sin c plus d means 6x plus 2x, 8x by 2 means sin 4x, into cos 2x minus 6x minus 4x by 2 means minus 2x, divided by two cos and sin 2 cos 4x into sin 5x minus 3x means 2x by 2, 2x by 2. Here 2 and 2 can be cancelled, and this 2 and 2 also can be cancelled. Then written we can write sin x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, sin 4x upon x, and we can write limit x tending to 0, cos 2x upon cos 4x, cos 4x. So to find the
and one more.
Avi Verma, what are you writing? What is the name of this? Ayush Verma. Message retrack. What he has written? Ayush. 3 are watching the video. Means class
Including me.
class 11th 2 students. Are you watching? Can you write? Class 11th students, can you write some comments so that I can understand you watching the video or not? Ayush Verma and Vaishnavi. Okay, let me complete this question. Sin 4x by sin x, cos 2x by cos 4x. Yes, sir. Ayush is
Ayush and Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. You two only are watching the video. Very good students. You are understanding the question. Good, good, good. And what about your friends? Limit x tending to 0, sin 4x by sin 4x by sin x, and limit x tending to 0, cos 4x, cos 2x by cos 4x, cos 2x by cos 4x. द नेगेटिव साइन 2x तो आपका पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा बिकॉज कॉस फंक्शंस में अब नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. कॉस माइनस थीटा इज कॉस थीटा. And here sin 4x by sin x and cos 2x. Listen student, cos, if you going to find the limit of this function, cos 2x means x tending to 0 means means 2x. See, if x is tending to 0 then 2x also tending to 0, correct? 2x is tending to 0 means that cos 0 is always 1. Cos 0 is 1. So this function is going to be 1. And what about this? And this one also, student, you know that limit x tending to 0 sin 4x, then we divide and multiply 4x, correct? And for the sin x tending to 0 sin x, we will divide x and multiply. This is going to be 1 and this one also is going to be 1. Then 1 multiplied 4x upon 1 multiply x. X and x cancel, the answer will be 4. Have you understood? Vaishnavi and Ayush, have you understood this question? Then let's move for the next question. Why I can't see the comment here? Open the comment section. Okay, yes.
Internet connection is slow.
Oh, I can give this one also.
Yeah, of course. Nothing much.
No, not laughing. What is this? To whom I am giving this? Hari? Hey, what is this? Dear students, Deepaks are helping me to understand the comments and something. What you are writing, how many of you are listening, and out of 3, one Deepaks are also. Ayush, Vaishnavi and Deepak sir, 3 students are watching my video. So for the next one, next question is, Ayush, now I am giving you time to solve the question. Limit x tending to 0, x square minus sin x by 2 divided by sin 2x. Vaishnavi and Ayush, try to solve this question and then I will solve. Do you have a pen? I hope you are having copy and pen. Please solve this question in your notebook and tell me if any doubt. Otherwise, I will move to the next question. And if you have a doubt, I will solve the question. Comment in the comment section. Vaishnavi and Ayush, are you doing? Vaishnavi, what about you? Ayush have solved the question. Solve it, sir. You are saying to me or you have solved? Ayush, may I solve this question or you have done it? Okay, I solve this question. Then the limit x tending to 0. See, x square minus sin x by 2 upon sin 2x. This sin 2x can be written to the denominator x square upon sin 2x minus limit x tending to 0 sin x by 2 upon sin 2x. Now I think you have understood, Ayush, how to do it, how to do this question, but I am going to solve. And correct. Then limit x tending to 0, x tending to 0, x tending to 0. If x tending to 0, what you can do? You can write, sir, x square, or you can write in this way, x x इधर लिख लिया, एक ऐसा लिख लिया, x upon sin 2x. You can divide the 2 and multiply 2. See, x square and 2 and minus limit x tending to 0 sin x by 2 multiply and divided by sin 2x upon 2x multiply and divide. Now limit x tending to 0, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. sorry 2 और 2 cancel कैसे होगा, इसको इसीलिए तो लिखा ही है, x by 2, and you can write 1 upon sin 2x by 2, and this is going to be 1. This is going to be 1 and minus